last weekend of April 2013. I left Schwartz Bay, I don't know, half an hour, 35 minutes ago. Saw Sheila and Nancy and a few of the others there, but they were obviously going to be a little while packing, so I set off. And just for the pleasure of paddling into quartering seas and then being able to put up the sail at sail, I doglegged to the southeast of Portland and got high enough upwind that I could sail on a broad reach in a couple of zigzags down to Arbutus. I'm just kind of at the southeast end of Portland now, over here. And as you can see, I'm on a speedy broad reach. I'm going to keep on this heading for a while. Just to make sure that I stay clear of the rocks and islets and things that are on the east side of Portland. And then I'll zig in and hit Arbutus Point. And it's brilliant.